Welcome to Bike Zone. Today, we're diving into one of the most iconic names in Indian motorcycling history, the Yamaha RX 100. Known for its raw power, lightweight build, and unmistakable exhaust note, the RX 100 isn't just a bike, it's a legacy. Design and build, pure nostalgia. The RX 100 had a classic, minimalist design that became instantly recognizable. With a slim fuel tank, round headlamp, chrome-finished mudguards, and a simple analog instrument cluster, the bike reflected the no-nonsense design ethos of the 80s and 90s. Its lightweight frame made it agile and perfect for both city streets and open roads. Engine and performance, small beast. Under the hood, the RX 100 packed a 98 cubic centimeters, two-stroke engine producing around 11 horsepower. That might sound small today, but back then, it was a rocket. The power-to-weight ratio was incredible, making the bike quick off the line and thrilling to ride. Its signature two-stroke sound still turns heads today. Popularity and cult status. From college students to stunt riders, the RX 100 became everyone's favorite. It was affordable, easy to maintain, and delivered unmatched performance for its time. Even decades later, it's still a collector's dream and holds a huge fan base across India. Possible comeback, what's next? Rumors suggest Yamaha might bring back the RX 100 in a modern avatar, possibly with a 4-stroke engine and BS6 compliance. While it won't be the same two-stroke screamer, fans are hoping the spirit of the original lives on in the new version. Final thoughts. The Yamaha RX 100 isn't just a motorcycle, it's a part of India's biking history. Whether you're a nostalgic rider or a new-gen enthusiast, the RX 100 continues to inspire and excite. Stay tuned with Bike Zone for more updates, reviews, and stories from the world of two wheels.